Hi everyone, my name is Kai and this is a little recap of my week number 5 of drawing almost every day. I skipped only one day this week. At the beginning of the week, I was focusing more on the rib cage and pelvis areas because previous week I saw I have a lot of problems in proportion between those parts, how far they are, how big they are, and so on. So I tried to figure it out a little bit better. But I believe I will need to do it more and more often later on. After that, I kind of switched more to the portraits. Just a simple stylized one. This one is from a Cameron Mark. I was just trying to copy, keeping it on another side as a reference. Yeah, it was pretty fun. I think I start to find more and more things that I like and I want to have in my own style. So I hope with some time I will get used to it and my hand will remember how to draw this sort of portraits. This day I tried to have a reference of the real person, of the posture of the real person, but draw it in a more stylized way and have a very stylized portrait features. I think it worked well. When I was drawing it, I was really proud of it. And then I roll a little bit further from the screen. I was like, oh my god, what those arms are. But it's alright. We were working on it, right? Just keeping it very simple, trying to do some hatching, but I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just copying what I see on some of the pictures. I need to read something more about it, about the hatching. Should they be all in the same direction or should they have a different direction depending on the surface or something like that? We'll see. I believe there should be some information on the internet. Day 32. I think that was my favorite so far. Favorite portrait. I like the amount of stylization that happened there. And I did the same thing. I was looking on a real life reference for the poster, but I tried to stylize it while looking on a stylized pictures of some other artists. Tried a little bit of a color, just a very minimal, and even tried to add some highlights here and there, like on lips and on the hair, as you can see here. Days 34 to 35. It's my first try to draw something in more anime style, which in this case would be character from Genshin Impact. I wanted to try to do something like that for a while, so that was my first try. It took me a while to find more proper proportions of the character, because I was comparing it with a picture on another screen, and yeah, it didn't look well. The head, the body push. So here I use Liquify to just manage proportions a little bit better, and after that I had to redraw everything again to match with proportions. For the first try, I decided just to try to copy already existing picture of this character, but later on I think if I will draw more of this specific character or other characters in this style, I will be able to do it myself and to change some proportions, some elements, posture, and so on. For now, just copying it to understand and to learn different elements of the same character or characters in the same style. Still using just like flat colors. Do not even try to go deeper into colors and add some shading. I think it's gonna be a disaster. But someday. Added some shadows, but only on the face area, just to have it a little bit more rendered. And that was the end of week number 5 of drawing every day. Thank you everyone, and see you next time.